doing a little garden work this morning and it is super muddy, but it feels good to be out here. Okay guys, so as you know, we failed our last inspection for our final inspection. We've called another one in for tomorrow, tried to complete those checklist items. They did let us move in, but we've been just kind of living around like boxes or things sitting in the floor. You know, trim's not done, as you can see up above there. The rooms that have the tongue and groove boards don't have any crown molding up for the trim around the ceiling. We do now have some trim around most of the doors. I think we're missing maybe one door that we need some trim. We've got to order some more. We didn't have enough. We have most of the baseboards down. We don't have all of the shoe molding though, but that's all stuff that we've been working on since we've been in the house. There's still lots and lots to do. When we moved in, we didn't have any closet shelving. We didn't have any pantry shelving or any trim, and so we still are, we do have those done now. Thankfully, things have been easier since doing those items. I've been working really hard on the garage, though if you came, you probably wouldn't even be able to tell, but we had so many things packed in because we just can't put it away right now. So we're still working on that, and since the house is a lot smaller this time, we're trying to be really selective about how much extra we keep. So there's a lot of things in there that I just need to, well, once we get laundry room cabinets and things set up, I can put more things away, but I just need to be more selective and just take the time to go through it. I've taken off several loads, I've given things away. So, you know, that's just where we are, but it's good. Our inspection tomorrow, we really hope that we pass. We've got everything done on their checklist, so that should suffice, and we'll continue. We have months and months left for things to do with the house. We're hoping to have the house 100% complete by fall, if not before then, and then that way Jason will have a little time over the fall and winter. And then in the spring, we'll pick back up with some things that we need to do. Before winter, we do need to get a woodshed built. So we'll have that done, hopefully this fall, and get most of the wood moved in. And then our plans are to do more down by the pond. Hey, birds. Hey, birds. So this morning was pretty rainy, but Willow and I, once the rain stopped, we were able to go out and check our blackberries. There's quite a few bare around here, so I'm really hoping that we can stay ahead of them and get the berries before they do. We have lots of wild blackberry bushes throughout the property, so we were actually able to find some today. There were about maybe 2.5 cups worth, so not enough to make any jam, but at least enough to, you know, snack on and maybe make a cobbler. So that was fun, and she was excited about it. So this only took me a solid day and then maybe some of another day, but it's done.